In this video, I'm going to show you how you can color grade or how you can apply color correction on your videos in Filmora. So if you want to enhance your video or if you want to make your videos more appealing, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and color grade them. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, I have here this video and I'd like to go ahead and enhance its appearance by color grading it. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to this option here called filters, and if you go to filters, you'll find we have quite a number of options we can use to color grade or to change the appearance of our video. So sample through and then come up with the one that you wish. For instance, I want to go ahead and download this contrast. You can go ahead and choose from a variety of the list, and as you can see here, we have quite a number of them. You can choose from basic, features, mono, and even cinematic, and the list is just endless. So go through this list and identify the one that you wish and then choose from it. Now remember, we have others that are free and others are premium, so choose according to your account. Now I'll go ahead and choose one of the free from the list here because I'm on a free account. So for instance, I'll go ahead and choose Beautiful Memories. The first thing you need to do is to download it. And now once you have downloaded it, go ahead and just drag it on the timeline like that to apply it. And now if you go ahead and play, you will see the color grading effect has been applied. Should you want to make further adjustments, go ahead and click on the edit option here. And from here, you can increase or reduce the opacity. You can also go ahead and turn on auto enhance to enhance your video or your creation further. So from here, you can also add even a shadow if you so wish, and you'll be able to do exactly that. Now under auto enhance, you can also adjust this to your liking. So that's how you can add color correction or color grading on your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.